Look at this 2012 Chevrolet Colorado. Carfax has certified this Colorado as having one owner. This Colorado has just under 6,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Colorado boasts a 3.7-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, satellite radio, tinted windows, passenger airbag and bed liner. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.